my name is Varsha. Today here I am going to explain you what is meant by data science. So what is data science actually? So data science is defined as an extraction of some raw data or extraction of knowledge from data by using some algorithms and techniques. So what are those algorithms? Let it be as machine learning or some algorithms by using some algorithms and techniques. Now in this session we are going to learn what is meant by this data and what are the types of the data. So actually what is meant by the data? Data is nothing but extraction of something, extraction of knowledge from some things is known as data. So data is of two types. One is primary data and secondary data. What is meant by the primary data? Primary data is nothing but extraction of data which is done for the first time is known as the primary data. And what is meant by the secondary data? Secondary data is extraction of the data is done by someone else and has gone through some scheduled or has gone through some schemes is known as the secondary data. Has already extracted by someone is known as secondary data, and the extraction of the data for the first time is known as primary data. Now let us see what are the types of the primary data and secondary data. There are 4 types of primary data and 2 types of secondary data. As I said, there are 4 types of primary data. So what are those types? First is direct oral investigation, second one is indirect oral investigation, and third one is mailed questionnaire method, and fourth one is scheduled sent through enumerators. Let us see how those all functions. So let us think. There are 2 persons here, and this is the person 1 and the person 2. Here he will be the investigator and he will be the person. So what is meant by the direct oral investigation? So in direct oral investigation, the investigator who is present here, he directly gets the data from the person through face-to-face contact. He directly gets the data from the person through face-to-face contact. Okay. Next, indirect oral investigation. In this indirect oral investigation, let us take here another person is present who is the mediator. Okay, indirect oral investigation. In this indirect oral investigation, the investigator obtains the data not directly from the person. He obtains the data from the other person who is eager to answer the questions of other person. He will be eager to answer the answers of this person. So this investigator obtains the data from this person. And next, coming to mailed questionnaire method. What is meant by the mailed questionnaire method? So in this mailed questionnaire method, how we will obtain the data? Extraction of data means what? Extraction of something. So how the investigator will obtain the data? Through mail. The statement itself says that through mail. Here the investigator prepares the questions of the mail and sends to the person, and the person answers and sends to the investigator. So through mail the investigator obtains the data. Next, scheduled sent through enumerators. What happens in scheduled sent through enumerators? Let us think. Here the investigator is there, here the person is there, and here the third party is there. So here what happens is in scheduled sent through enumerators, how the data is obtained. So in this what happens, the investigator prepares a paper of questions what he will be going to ask the person. Okay, and he will send those all questions through some person. That person is known as the enumerator. Okay, this person goes and asks the questions and collect and give it to the investigator. In this way we will obtain the data in the primary data. Primary data means what? Which is freshly collected. The data is freshly collected for the first time. So these are the 4 types of primary data. I hope you have understood. And next, what are the secondary data? Secondary data are the 2 types. These are the published data and unpublished data. What is meant by the published data? Published data is nothing but, published data is, in this what happens, we extract the data from where government agencies, wages, exports, imports and income, these all. So in published data what happens is the data is extracted from these all the segments, and these are published to the people by quarterly, half yearly or monthly based. Okay. Next, what is meant by the unpublished data? Unpublished data means this data is maintained by some private agencies, and some government agencies, etc. Okay, these are known as published data and unpublished data. Hope you understand what is meant by the primary data and secondary data. Secondary data means which is already collected by someone else, and someone else is known as a secondary data. Okay, and these are the primary data and secondary data. This is the. And next, what are the objectives of the data science? There are 5 objectives of the data science. One is data integration, data visualization, and automated machine learning, data engineering, and distributed architecture. These are the objectives of the data science. Okay, data integration means integrating of the data, visualization, machine learning, data engineering, and distributed architecture. And now let us enter into the data source. How many data sources are there? Multiple data sources. What are the multiple data sources? First one is media is the one of the data source, and IoT, Internet of Things, is one of the data source. Cloud is one of the data source. Big data is one of the data source. And next, this one. Media is one of the data source, IoT is one of the data source, cloud is one of the data source, and big data is one of the data source. In this session, we have learned about the objectives of the data science and multiple data